Good morning friends, welcome to the Fundamental Pharmacy. Today we are going to discuss about the alkaloids, that is ergot alkaloids, which is important for GPAT Niper, drug inspector and pharmacist. So indole alkaloids, which are biosynthesized from tryptophan amino acid. Indole alkaloids are biosynthesized from tryptophan amino acid. So ergot. What are the synonyms? Synonyms of ergot are ergot ray or ergota or spurred ray. Then what is the biological source? Dried sclerotium of fungus Claviceps purpurea, family Claviceptaceae or Hypocreaceae, which is developed on the ovary of ray plant known as Sickle cerulli, family Gramineae. Okay, so it is a fungus that is dried sclerotium of fungus Claviceps purpurea, family Claviceptaceae or Hypocreaceae, which is developed on the ovary of ray plant Sickle cerulli, family Gramineae. It should contain not less than 0.9%. It should contain not less than 0.19% total alkaloids calculated as ergotoxin, out of which 15% should be water soluble part. That is nothing but ergometrin. Okay, so it is found in Switzerland, Yugoslavia, Hungary, and Czechoslovakia. What are the possible ways of cultivation? That is, there are two ways of cultivation of this ergot. First one is natural way, that is cultivation of plant and subsequently infecting the fungus. Okay, this is natural way. Then second way is artificial way. Artificial way is also known as saprophytic production. Remember this line: sclerotial stage, or it is also known as dormant stage, which consists of maximum amount of alkaloids. That is, sclerotial stage or dormant stage consists of maximum amount of alkaloids. Okay, remember this line. Next one is life cycle of ergot. Life cycle of ergot. So there are two stages. First one is sexual development stage, or it is also known as honeydew stage or cephalical stage. In this stage, infection of ovary of the ray plant at the base of the ovary by ascospore, that is the fungus, which occurs in summer or spring season. That is, infection occurs in summer or spring season to the ovary of the ray plant at the base, and then it germinates in the moisture and damp climate, leads to formation of hypa, which is a soft white mass tissue. Over the surface of ovary there is one cell mass called mycelium, which secrete viscous sugary fluid, which is known as honeydew. The honeydew attracts the insect and other microorganism to spread the infection. So this is nothing but the sexual development stage, or it is also known as honeydew stage or cephalical stage. So next one is sclerotial stage. Sclerotium stage. This is a dormant stage of the fungus and consists of maximum amount of ergot alkaloids. Remember, sclerotium stage consists of maximum amount of alkaloids. This was the question asked in GPAT once. So remember this. Next point is microscopy. So microscopy of sclerotium. So sclerotium does not consist of any starch, calcium oxalate, or any kind of lignified tissue, because it is not a part of plant. It is actually fungus. That's why it does not contain any starch, calcium oxalate, or any kind of lignified tissue. What are the chemical constant of ergot? So chemical constant of ergot are divided into three. First one is water soluble or ergometrin group. In that, ergonovin, ergometrin, and ergometrinin. These are the three examples, out of which ergometrin is levorotatory and ergometrinin is a dextrose. So the next group is water insoluble or ergotamine group. What are the examples? Ergotamine and ergosine. These are the two examples from ergotamine group, which is water insoluble. So next group is water insoluble or ergotoxin group. So third group is water insoluble or ergotoxin group. What are the examples? Ergocryptin and ergocristin. These are the examples of water insoluble ergotoxin group. Okay, so alkaloids with suffix ine. Alkaloids with suffix ine, that is ergometrin, ergonovin, these kind of alkaloids ending with ine, all are levorotatory and are medicinally active. And those alkaloids which have suffix of nine, those alkaloids which have suffix of nine, these are dextrorotatory and are not medicinally active. Remember this suffix ine, all are levorotatory and medicinally active, and those alkaloids with suffix nine, those are dextro and not medicinally active. So next important point from chemical constituent is all ergot alkaloids are derivative of lysergic acid. All alkaloids from ergot are the derivative of lysergic acid. They are the derivative of lysergic acid. They are present in the peptide form and therefore they are known as peptide alkaloids. So what are the uses of ergot? That is, ergot is oxytocic. Ergot is a oxytocic. It is used to prevent the postpartum hemorrhage, that is hemorrhage after delivery, and it is also used in treatment of migraine. So next point is prepared ergot. Prepared ergot is nothing but the ergot powder which is defatted. Defatted ergot powder. Important point is storage. What is the storage condition for ergot? You should store ergot in cool, well-closed container, and because ergot is sensitive to moisture, and broken pieces of sclerotia is susceptible to fungal growth. So you should protect the ergot from moisture. This is ergot infection to the ray plant. This is ergot infection to the ray plant, and this is a sugary fluid that is known as honeydew. This will attract the insect to spread the infection more. Okay, so this is honeydew from the ergot. Okay, so this is the dried sclerotium of ergot. You can see this black part, that is nothing but the dried sclerotium of ergot. So these are the lysergic acid. This is the structure of lysergic acid. Ergot alkaloids are present as a lysergic acid in the form of lysergic acid, which itself is present in the form of peptide because CONH bond, that is C O N H bond. Because of this bond, they are also known as peptide alkaloids. Sometimes they are known as peptide alkaloids. So next important point is chemical test for ergot alkaloids. So first one is it will give blue color. It will give ergot alkaloids will give blue color with para-dimethyl aminobenzylaldehyde, which is known as Van Oort reagent. So Van Oort reagent is para-dimethyl aminobenzylaldehyde, and ergot alkaloids will give blue color with it. So next one is ergot powder when treated with ether and sulfuric acid. You have to filter that treated solution, then add sodium bicarbonate. It will give you red violet color in the aqueous layer. Okay, so next one is specific test for ergometrin. So ergometrin will give blue fluorescence in the water under UV. Next one is ergotamine specific test. That is, you have to extract the small powder with glacial acetic acid and ethyl acetate. Then you have to add small portion of sulfuric acid and shake. It will give you blue color with red tinge. And upon addition of ferric chloride, the blue color deepens and while red tinge becomes faint. Ergotamine. This is specific test for ergotamine. Then next one is under UV light. It will give red fluorescence. This is ergotamine. This is ergometrin. This one and this one. These tests are for ergotamine, and These tests are for ergometrin. These tests for specific test for ergotamine. Okay, so this is Sachin Jadhav. I will wind up today's session, that is ergot alkaloids. So if you want these kind of notes, you can contact me on these numbers. We have different WhatsApp groups. You can join our free WhatsApp group. Just you have to send the message on this number and write down your name and college name. We have paid group for these kind of notes. I repeat, we have paid group for these kind of notes. If you want these kind of notes, you can join our paid group. Then we have separate group for girls. Thank you for watching video again, and if you like the content of our tutorial, please like our video, share with your friends, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the new notification of updated videos. Thank you. Bye.